Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a shelter in Windrose. To begin, we want to gather some materials like wood, fiber and stones and put it into our base. After that, we want to click the B key and right click to open a building panel menu. Nextly, we want to go to the floors and walls, and here we can use the foundations or the floors. I'm going to use the floors, and with the V key you can change the perspective. With the scroll wheel you can change the rotation of the object, and with the left mouse key you can place down the buildings. Now to get other structures, you can go ahead and right click, and we can choose some walls, scroll wheel to rotate them. We can place some pillars, so let's say right here. And finally the roofs, which are essential for some workstations. And now you can place some workstations inside of this shelter, and they are going to be protected and you can use them. So this is pretty much all that you need to know to build buildings, and see you in the next one.